Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use file fasteners. These simple tools are incredibly effective for keeping your documents organized and secure. They are designed to hold multiple sheets of paper firmly in place within a folder, preventing any important information from slipping out or getting misplaced. Learning to use them correctly will save you time and keep your files looking professional. We'll cover everything from their components to best practices. File fasteners usually consist of two main parts: the base with two flexible prongs and a compressor bar. The prongs, often made of metal, can vary in length, commonly from 1 inch to 3 inches, accommodating different paper capacities. The compressor bar slides over the prongs, pressing down on your documents. This design ensures a firm grip, keeping up to 200 sheets of paper neatly stacked and secure within your file. To use a file fastener, first ensure your documents have two standard holes, typically spaced 2 3/4 inches apart. Next, push the two prongs of the fastener through these holes, going through all your papers and then the folder itself. Once through, bend the prongs outwards and flat against the back of the folder. Finally, slide the compressor bar over the prongs on top of your documents, pressing down firmly to secure everything tightly. For best results, avoid overfilling your fasteners. Each fastener has a capacity, usually indicated by its prong length, such as 1 inch holding about 100 sheets. For documents you access often, consider using hole reinforcements to prevent tearing. Always align all your papers perfectly before securing the fastener to maintain a neat appearance. Lastly, clearly label your folders. This simple step makes finding specific documents much quicker and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.